Setting up Tipalti and Cpabuild is a straightforward process, and today I'll walk you through it. There are various methods to connect Tipalti to Cpabuild, and you can explore the options provided by Tipalti or Cpabuild. Here are two common approaches. Tipalti may offer an API for developers to create custom integrations. If you're comfortable with coding, you can delve into this option. Alternatively, there might be third-party integration tools or services bridging the gap between Tipalti and Cpabuild. Research the available options that best suit your requirements. Depending on your chosen method, you'll need to gather API keys, access tokens, or other credentials from Tipalti to establish the connection with Cpabuild. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen method. This could involve utilizing Tipalti's API. If you're using Tipalti's API, you'll need to write code to connect to Tipalti's API and interact with the required data in Cpabuild. Follow the instructions provided by the third-party integration tool to set up the connection between Tipalti and Cpabuild. This may include entering API credentials or following a guided setup process. Once the integration is configured, thoroughly test it to ensure data flows correctly between Tipalti and Cpabuild. Refine the connection or code as necessary.